The 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid is a high-performance electric sedan that redefines the boundaries of electric vehicle performance. It combines blistering acceleration, long range, and cutting-edge technology to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Design asterisk. Asterisk sleek and aerodynamic asterisk. The Model S Plaid features a sleek and aerodynamic design that optimizes efficiency and performance. Asterisk minimalist interior asterisk. The interior is minimalist and driver-focused, with a large central touchscreen that controls most vehicle functions. Asterisk premium materials asterisk. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, creating a luxurious and comfortable environment. Performance asterisk. Asterisk mind-bending acceleration asterisk. The Plaid model offers blistering acceleration, capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Asterisk long range asterisk. The car's large battery pack provides an impressive range, making it suitable for long-distance travel. Asterisk all-wheel drive asterisk. The all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability in various weather conditions. Technology asterisk. Asterisk advanced autopilot asterisk. The Model S Plaid comes equipped with Tesla's advanced autopilot system, capable of autonomous driving on highways and in certain urban environments. Asterisk over-the-air updates asterisk. Tesla's over-the-air update system ensures that the car software is always up to date, adding new features and improving performance over time. Asterisk large touchscreen asterisk. The central touchscreen provides intuitive control over various vehicle functions, including climate control, navigation, and entertainment. Overall asterisk. The 2025 Tesla Model S Plaid is a true performance powerhouse that offers a thrilling driving experience. Its combination of speed, range, and advanced technology makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance electric vehicle.